Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Keeping your trailer fleet in top shape isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about safety, efficiency, and cutting unnecessary costs. A well-planned maintenance checklist helps you stay on top of wear and tear, preventing small issues from turning into expensive repairs. In this video, you'll learn how to build a thorough checklist covering brakes, tires, lighting, and structural inspections. These steps will help you keep your trailers running smoothly and your business moving forward. Understanding the importance of a trailer fleet maintenance checklist. A maintenance checklist isn't just paperwork, it's your first line of defense against costly downtime and unexpected repairs. Without one, minor issues like loose bolts or worn brake pads can escalate into major problems, leaving trailers stranded and deliveries delayed. But with a structured plan, you catch these problems early, keeping your fleet running smoothly and safely. Preventing costly breakdowns. Ignoring small repairs often leads to bigger failures. For example, a neglected wheel bearing can overheat and seize, causing a tire blowout. Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration data shows that mechanical failures contribute to nearly 10% of large truck crashes. A checklist ensures each part of the trailer is inspected regularly, reducing the risk of sudden malfunctions. Key areas to monitor include brakes. Worn pads or leaking air lines increase stopping distance. Tires. Underinflation raises blowout risks and cuts fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Lighting. Faulty signals or brake lights are a top reason for roadside inspections. Extending trailer lifespan. Regular maintenance doesn't just prevent breakdowns, it keeps trailers on the road longer. Think of it like changing the oil in a car. Skip it, and the engine fails prematurely. The same applies to trailers. Lubricating hinges, checking suspension, and replacing worn parts before they break down can add years to a trailer's service life. For instance, greasing the fifth wheel reduces wear and prevents costly hitch failures. Cleaning and inspecting electrical connections prevents corrosion and wiring damage. A well-maintained trailer can last twice as long as one that's neglected, saving thousands in replacement costs. Staying compliant with regulations. Inspections aren't optional, and fines add up fast. In 2022, the FMCSA issued over $42 million in penalties for maintenance-related violations. A checklist helps you stay ahead by ensuring proper tire tread depth, functional ABS and brake systems, no cracks or major corrosion in the frame. If your trailers pass inspections the first time, you avoid fines and keep your fleet on schedule. A solid maintenance checklist keeps repairs predictable, reduces unplanned downtime, and protects your investment. Next, let's break down how to build one tailored to your fleet. Essential components of a trailer fleet maintenance checklist. A trailer maintenance checklist works best when it's broken into clear, actionable steps. Whether you're inspecting before a trip or planning long-term upkeep, each task plays a role in keeping trailers safe and road-ready. Here's what to include at every stage. Pre-trip inspection checklist. Before every trip, a quick but thorough inspection can catch problems before they turn into roadside emergencies. Start with these key areas. Tires. Check for proper inflation, uneven wear, and tread depth. Look for nails or debris stuck in the tread. Brakes. Test for air leaks, listen for unusual noises, and ensure brake pads or shoes have enough material left. Lights and signals. Verify all lights, brake lights, turn signals, and reflectors work correctly. Replace any burnt-out bulbs. Coupling systems. Inspect the fifth wheel, hitch, and safety chains for cracks or excessive wear. Grease moving parts if needed. Why it matters. Even a small issue, like a flickering taillight, can lead to a failed inspection or an accident. Documenting these checks helps track recurring problems and proves due diligence if regulations come into question. Weekly or monthly maintenance tasks. Some components need regular attention but don't require daily scrutiny. Set aside time weekly or monthly for fluid levels. Top off hydraulic fluid, coolant, and grease for bearings or hinges. Suspension components. Check for loose bolts, worn bushings, or leaking airbags. Safety devices. Test breakaway switches and emergency brake systems. Why these tasks matter. Fluids keep parts from grinding themselves apart. Suspension issues, if ignored, lead to unstable loads and uneven tire wear. Testing safety devices ensures they'll work when you need them most. Long-term maintenance and overhauls. Some jobs can't be done on the fly, they require planning and downtime. Schedule these at recommended intervals. Brake overhauls. Replace linings, drums, or rotors as wear dictates. Axle alignments. Misaligned axles strain tires and suspension. Check after hitting major potholes. Structural inspections. Look for frame cracks or corrosion annually, especially in salt-prone regions. The payoff. Major repairs cost more upfront but prevent catastrophic failures. A trailer with aligned axles and fresh brakes handles better, lasts longer, and burns less fuel. This structure keeps maintenance manageable while covering everything from daily checks to big-picture upkeep. Next, let's look at how to track and organize these tasks efficiently. That's it for part 1. We've covered the key elements to include in your maintenance checklist. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through setting up a maintenance schedule and tracking system to keep everything on track. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.